You didn't even know that was on you.
I farted. It was silent. So it stank.
Mine was too. Silent but deadly. Look what I'm eating.
Yeah.
It's Chef Boyardee. It's really good.
Let's see if they can hear me burp.
Ready?
Oh.
That's my burp. Okay, now I started laughing, so now it's like stuck, and I'm gonna have a really big burp. Okay, is she having soda? You should have gotten a soda.
More.
There's people in the other class. We're in Kim Chris.
Ew,
You'll never get married.
You'll never get me.
This Kim Chris said to yell at you, so I said you were never
that wasn't me.
It was me. Just kidding. No, it was her.
Let me get it.
Look it. We can see each other in the mirror. Look, it's a flip video. Stop. Be creepy. It's either that or a farting contest. You know.